Hello everyone, welcome to Trinetra Learning Lab. Here we are with the another video from Touchpad of class 3rd. And today we are going to cover our second chapter which is Windows 10. But before moving ahead, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to not to miss any of the notification further or the videos. So we are in the second chapter, that is our Windows 10. And as we have seen in our previous chapter, Windows 10 is what? It is an operating system. And we have seen that operating system controls everything in our computer. So operating system in our computer takes care of our computer and it also manages all the things that our computer is doing. So it will be responsible for managing all the things. And when we switch on the computer, the first thing that is loaded in our system is operating system. So the most popular operating system we are familiar is Windows, right? So in this chapter, Windows 10, we will be going to brief about. Although there are various other versions of Windows that are Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and the latest one is Windows 11. And it was released on 5th of October 2021. Windows 10 desktop, it has majorly three components, that is taskbar, icons, and desktop background. So icons are these pictures, and then the bottommost layer that we are able to see, the long horizontal bar, it is taskbar. And at the background that we are able to see, it is desktop background. So first of all, let's move towards the icons. An icon is a picture or graphical representation of any application. We must have seen when we install any game, there is an icon, right? There is a picture, and each and every application software has different icon. Like this one is for this PC, and this icon is for folder. This icon is for recycle bin, and obviously to open these, we have to double click on it. Next is sorting the icons. We can also sort our icons, and it is very easy to sort. Sort means arranging, so we can arrange our icons. So first of all, we have to right click on our desktop and then we will be having the option that is sort by, and four options are available. Sort by name. So it will be going to sort alphabetically. Okay. And then size, according to the size, it can sort by the file type and by the date modified. Next is our taskbar, and it is the most important component of our desktop. And by default, it is present at the bottom of the screen. And it is long horizontal bar that is present in our desktop. It is divided into three parts, that is the start button, and then open programs, and then notification area. Let's brief it one by one. Start menu. When we have to search for any of the application, we can simply click on the search menu or we can simply press start button from our keyboard. And it will be going to show you like this. This image we will be going to see when we will be clicking, or when we will be clicking on start menu, or when we will be going on the start menu button. It is divided into two pans that are left pan and right pan. Left pan displays the list of programs and right pans displays the live tiles. Okay. So left pan, we are having the list of all the applications that are installed. And then right pan, we are having the tiles. Tiles are nothing, but tiles are just the application that we are having in our system. Okay. So it is for our convenience so that we can access it quickly. Next is our notification area. Notification area, it is located in the top right side of the taskbar, and it shows internet connections, volume level, and other things. Next is open program. So whatever the program that we have opened in our system, it will be going to display over here. Suppose I have opened Paint, so it will be going to show here. If I have opened Google Chrome, it will be going to show here. Next is desktop background. Desktop background is the image that appears at the back of your icons. And it comes with the pre-selected backgrounds, and we can also change it. So let us see how can we change it. First of all, right click on the desktop, and then we will be having interface like this. From here, we can select any of the image that we want to select. It is totally dependent on us that which image we want to select or we want to apply. So we can simply click on any of the image. Suppose I am liking this flower one. So after choosing the picture, the desktop background will be going to change automatically. Next is double tap. Here we have to guess what I am. I am the main screen of the Windows 10. It is what? Main screen, it means desktop. You double click me to open a file, and that is folder. We usually double click on a folder to open it. I am present at bottom left of the corner, bottom left corner of the screen. That is what? Taskbar. I display a list of all the program installed in our computer. It is a start menu. Easy. Let's have a look on the task view. Okay. We have seen taskbar. Let us see task view. Task view allows you to quickly move within your open window and applications. And the shortcut key to switch is Alt plus Tab. You can open 2 or 3 windows in your system and you can simply press Alt plus Tab and you will be able to switch between those videos, right? Instead of going and clicking, again going and clicking. So it is very easy and convenient way to switch between the open windows. And this section that we are able to see, it is our task view. Next is our control buttons. Basically, our Windows comes with 3 control buttons. And what are they? Minimize, maximize, and close. Minimize if we want to hide the window. Maximize if we want to bring it in the full size. Okay. And we can also restore it down. And then close if we want to close it for permanent basis. The symbols are attached here with. This is minimize and maximize and then close. Now let's move on to the exercise. Choose the correct answer. When was Windows 11 launched? Windows 11 was launched on 2021. On which side of the taskbar is notification area present? We know that notification area is present in right side. Okay. Which among the following is the graphical representation of file or folder? It is our icons. Which of the following is the main screen of Windows? We have just seen it is our desktop. Next is right or wrong, which is our true or false, which is quite similar to true false. There are only two control button in Windows operating system. It is completely wrong because there are 3 control buttons. What are they? Minimize, maximize, and close. The start menu shows an alphabetical list of all the application installed in our system. It is true. Whatever the application that we are having in our system, it will be going to show, and they are in the alphabetical order. Windows 11 is the previous version of Windows 10, right? So we can say it is wrong because it is the updated version of Windows 10. You can close the start menu by pressing Control key. So it is also wrong because we have to press Windows button or start button to open the start menu. 4 question answers are there. What is taskbar? What is notification area? Write the steps to change the desktop background, and then what is task view? Let's cover it one by one. What is taskbar? The taskbar is the important component of the desktop and it is present at the bottom of the screen, and it has start menu, open programs, and notification area. And it is long horizontal bar we have seen. Next is what is notification area? The notification area is located at the right side of the taskbar and it shows date and time, volume level, internet connections, language, and etc. Next question. What are the steps to change the desktop background? So the steps to change the desktop background are right click on the desktop and choose the personalize option. Then click on background option, select picture option, and then we can select any of the picture from the display and it will be going to automatically apply in our desktop. Next, what is task view? Task view allows to quickly move within our open windows or application, and we can press the shortcut key that is Alt plus Tab to switch between open windows. So this is all for our second chapter. Meet you soon in our next video. Thank you so much.